You are a rare beauty to them. They are hypnotized by you. They try to and fro in regards to if they should pursue this connection or not, because they felt like to pursue this actual connection will cause them a lot of pain. Your beauty has done something to them that they've never experienced before, and they feel like to give up on you, your energy, your whole essence, it will literally break them. It literally gets into this person's head about what they should do. If I pursue it with this person, then what if I lose them? What if I never recover from the heartbreak of losing them? If they don't pursue it with you, their thoughts are, what if I miss out on a once in a lifetime opportunity? What do I do? It's got them all up in their head. But they're willing to take that opportunity. They're willing to take that chance. This person's growing more into an independent state. Maybe they were codependent. Maybe they were waiting for you to make the first move. Maybe they were shy because they were definitely intimidated by you. Your essence is very rare. They see you as very magical, out of this world, very distinct. They can't even compare your energy to anyone else's. Your interests, your hobbies, it's so out there for this person. It's intriguing. They find you interesting. Nothing really gets to this individual. Nothing can really, I don't really feel like this person's really fazed by people. Yeah, they see beautiful women, they see handsome men all the time, but your energy is different. Your beauty is different. It's distinct. Like they've never come across a beauty like yours before. They love the way you do your hair. They love the way your skin shines. They love the way you take care of yourself. They love the way you don't want to fit in. So they're coming out of this energy of fighting it, because that's what I feel it is. They're trying to fight their attraction to you, but they feel hypnotized by you. They're drawn to you. They can't help it. They see the way other people are drawn to you too. And I feel that was one of the reasons why they felt like you are off limits. You are trouble. I'm hearing pink trouble. I'm going to get into arguments with people. I want a peaceful life is what they were thinking. But then they started to think, you know what? Why am I intimidated by the fact that my butterflies is attractive? That means I've got great taste, right? Why do I feel bothered that people keep looking at them? Is it because I may feel like they may find other people better? Is it because I don't feel like I'm good enough? This person's starting to unravel the layers as to why they were so all up in their head about finding you attractive. They don't want to be a fan. That's what it is. They want to hold on to you. They want to hold on to you. They don't want to let you go. They don't want you to move forward. It's like they're trying to put an invisible block up in your way. Don't leave me. They won't necessarily say this, but it's like, I ain't letting her go. I am not letting him go, because they see you as the Empress. The Empress is higher than all the queens. She's the Queen of Cups. She's the Queen of Wands. She's the Queen of Swords. She's the Queen of Pentacles, all in one. This person sees you as very regal, slightly intimidating, because it's like you can pick and choose anyone that you want. Why me? Your reply could be, why not? Even if you're a male listening to this person sees you as an empress. They find you to be very compassionate, very caring, very nurturing. You have a warm side to you that they find intriguing. You're very loving. You're not afraid to lean towards your feminine side and keep a healthy balance of your masculine side. And even if you are a female listening to this, right? This person sees you as a nurturer. They feel like you bring life to situations. Like when you come in an environment, you are the vibe. You bring life. You bring light within that environment. You could be a great mother, or they are envisioning how you would be as a mother to their child. Yeah, they're thinking that deep. I see you as beautiful, creative, abundant. You have an abundant energy, a rich energy. And this person wants to come out of the friend zone. I'm hearing Mario, you say I'm just a friend. Maybe in the past they said they were just wanted to be friends, or maybe you said that you just wanted to be friends, or maybe it wasn't a conversation for some of you. Maybe this person's trying to play it cool, like, I'll just pretend to be their friend. They don't want to be your friend. They don't want to be your friend. They want more than friendship. They want passion with you. Not just passion though, in that sense. Yes, in that sense, they do look at you in that way, but they feel like it's wrong because they feel like they value you and put you on a pedestal, and they don't want to think of you in that way. But at the same time, it's like they do have these strong romantic feelings for you. They are drawn to you. I feel like it doesn't take much for this individual to be phased. I'm hearing Shania Twain, that don't impress me much. I'm telling you, this person's not really impressed. They're used to men or women doing the most. And there's something different about you. I feel I'm hearing the word flexibility. Maybe you're flexible. Maybe they like the way you dance. Maybe they like the way, you carry yourself with grace, with elegance. And I feel like this individual feels like before you, they were sleeping, but you have shook them to the core. Your energy has revived them in some way, right? And this individual feels like they had to go through what they went through in order to meet you. There's something about this person going through some type of transformation, feeling like if they met you earlier, then they would have messed this situation up. This person just feels drawn to you. Even they don't understand why they are drawn to you. Not to say you're not attractive, but no one has ever got them in this state. Yes, they've been in relationships before where they felt like, it was the real deal. But with you, it's different. It's like, even if they try and keep away, because I do feel like this person may try and, block off communication, hold back. But then it's like, whenever they see you, whenever they hear your name, I can't keep away. They just feel drawn to you. You're like their kryptonite, yo. You are like their kryptonite. They are hooked on you. #silk. This person sees you as a prize, and they feel like if they were to get with you, be in a relationship with you, you can both win together. Yeah.